Hello. In this video, we are going to do a walkthrough of how UWM students can sign up for advising appointments with the Navigate360 Student app. To begin, sign into the Navigate360 Student app using your ePanther login, which is the same login used for your campus email and Canvas site. Once you are logged in, click on the Home button in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. To schedule an advising appointment, click on the Appointments icon near the top of the screen. You also have the option to click on the rocket ship icon from the menu at the bottom and then select Appointments to proceed. On the next page, click on the blue Schedule an Appointment button in the upper right corner. Next, on the New Appointments page, you'll want to indicate the type of appointment you want and the service you're looking for. In this case, you'll want to select Advising from the first drop-down menu. Then, select which service you would like to schedule. You have the option to choose Academic Planning, Exploring a Major, and additional options. In this case, we will choose Academic Planning. You have the option to toggle the date if you're looking for a specific time in the near future, but please note that for some advising appointments, you must schedule at least 24 hours in advance. Then click on Find Available Time. On the next page, you will be able to view advisors that are available to meet with you, along with open times and dates that you can select. Scroll down and click on a date and a time that works best for you to schedule the specific appointment. Finally, you will arrive at the appointment confirmation page. Review all the details listed, including the service, date, time, location, contact information, and the name of the advisor. You will also have the option here to choose an online appointment, if applicable, and to add comments or information for the advisor to view ahead of your appointment. You may also select to receive email and text reminders about your advising appointment. Then, click on the Schedule button at the very bottom, and your appointment is all set up. You'll receive a separate email confirmation message that you've successfully scheduled the advising appointment.